Howdy, folks. If a CSR is having trouble booking an appointment because it says the zip code they're trying to enter is not in service area, the way you can fix that is by adding that zip code to one of our zones or one of our service areas. So to do that, you click up here on settings, type zones in the search bar, go ahead and click it here. This is all of our zones. It's pretty much our service areas. This one at the top is where you can add these zip codes. It's called additional zip codes. However, the best practice is to figure out what service area or zone is closest to that zip code. If it's a zip code that's kind of in between two of them, you might want to add it to the additional zip codes here. So to add a zip code to one of these zones, all you do is click edit here on the right. Click in here, type in that zip code. You go and click add right here, and it's added it, but then you have to make sure to save it down here. You'll see it here. If there's a long list of them like here, once you add it, it'll show up at the very end of it. So you can verify it that way. Once you add that zip code, they should be able to book the job. If not, have them refresh, clicking the refresh up here. I believe Control R also refreshes it. If they're still having issues, one possibility might be the business unit they're trying to select doesn't match the zone. For this additional zip codes, I added all the business units to it, so it won't be an issue here. If it's a zip code, like for example in Austin, but they're selecting the San Antonio business unit, it's not going to work because only the Austin business units are here. So they need to make sure the proper business unit is attached to that zone. If they're still having issues, have them contact me immediately and I can fix the issue for them.